What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this cute honey blonde caramel blonde type wig. This hair is from Unice hair and it is 18 inches of their Brazilian straight. And y'all, I have never had hair this color before. Like, I've never done like a blonde, any shade of blonde, honey caramel, whatever. I've never done hair like this before. And like, I don't know how I feel about the hair. Like, I don't know, you guys, do you guys like it? You guys feeling it? Like, what y'all think about this hair? Because like, I think it's cute, but I think maybe if it had like dark roots, it would have made me feel a little bit better. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out the hair. But anyways, the hair is very nice, it's very soft. The install was super easy. So if you want to see how I installed this hair and how we got to this look here, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna be going ahead and installing this new headband wig from Unice hair. I am super excited for this wig because it's a blonde wig, and you know what they say blondes have more fun. So I'm excited about this hair. So of course the hair comes in the Unice hair box. It's just a blue box and it has like the hair care instructions and stuff at the back. So if you are a beginner when it comes to hair and all of that stuff, the wig tips and stuff at the back is very helpful. So that is cool. So when you open up the box, you have the hair, and I know y'all can see this like honey blonde highlight wig. So and we also have a headband in here too. This headband actually looks pretty cute. It has like tropical vibe colors in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, I'll show that to you guys after. And we have another headband in here too. This one is super cute. It's like blue and pink, and I love getting a headband with pink in it because pink is my favorite color. So yeah. And we also got some goodies. Unice sent over some more goodies again. I love this stuff. When you guys order your hair, you guys get the goodies as well. I think they usually have them on like promotion and stuff, so only at certain time of the year when you make a purchase, they'll give you some extra goodies and stuff. So just pay attention to their website because it always tells you on the website. So that's pretty cool. So in the bag here, we have some lashes, and these lashes look really cute. So this is what the packaging for the lashes look like. Super cute. These lashes look really nice, and I love getting new lashes because y'all know I love lashes. So yeah, I'm trying to open it so I can show it to you guys, but I don't want to break my little press-on nails. Okay, so we're not gonna open it, but yeah, we got some lashes here. And then we also have the head scarf, or the edge scarves. I love this stuff. I use this to set my edges all the time. So yeah, this is what the edge scarf looks like. It's just like a silky satin scarf, and it has the Unice hair logo. So I already have one of these. I absolutely love it, so I'm glad that I have another one. And then of course they send you wig caps as well, the deluxe pack. Wig cap. This comes with, it looks like there's only one wig cap in here. Sometimes these have more than one. This one looks like it just has one in it. And then they also sent some nail wraps. Super cute accessory. I'm not really sure what these are or how you use them, but they send them in there. So shout out to Unice hair for sending your girl some goodies, and shout out to Unice hair for sponsoring this video. So you guys, I'm so excited for this hair. I'm so excited for this hair. I've never had blonde hair before, so this is like a big deal for your girl, okay? So I'm just gonna take the hair out of the plastic packaging that it came in. And just to give you guys the specs about this hair, it is an 18-inch headband wig. And oh, you guys, I'm so excited. So it is like this honey blonde like color, which is like so pretty. It's like a caramel honey blonde, almost like a ginger. On camera it looks more gingery, but in person it's definitely more like honey blonde caramel. So cute. So here is the headband that came inside the packaging that I was saying has like tropical vibes to it. This is such a cute headband. Like, between the two of them, I mean, I guess this one kind of goes with my outfit more, but this one is just cute. I don't even know what headband I'm gonna pick. I don't know yet, y'all. I don't know yet. So I'm just taking the paper packaging out of the headband wig. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the construction of the wig looks like. So we have a comb along the top here, and we have a comb in the back. So you just like stick this into your hair and you're good to go. And then of course it has the straps at the end that just have Velcro, so you can tighten it how you like. They gave you quite a bit of Velcro here, so you can definitely adjust it to your liking if you want it to be on the looser side or on the snug side. As you guys know, I have a big head, and a lot of these headband wigs so far that I've been trying have been very big head friendly, and so I'm grateful that we have such a wide area of Velcro space to work with so that we can make it tight or not tight, and you can adjust it accordingly. So I love that. So yeah, you guys, this hair is so cute. The only thing I'm kind of nervous about is, like, obviously my hair is like black and this doesn't have dark roots, so I'm just wondering like what the edges will look like with my edges being like black and the hair being blonde. If I don't like the way it looks, I can definitely just go ahead and dye the roots like black, because this is human hair, so it can be dyed, it can be bleached, all of that good stuff. So if I don't like the way it looks, I can definitely just color the roots so that it would blend in a little bit better with like my roots, which are black. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. The hair is very soft, very soft hair. Feels good, and this is probably processed hair because it's been dyed, but it feels really soft, super soft. I am getting a few strands of shedding. So I did get some shedding here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I do have some shedding. It's colored hair, it's processed hair, so I mean, I'm not surprised. But it is very soft and it doesn't have no funny smell. Thank God, because I hate when wigs have that weird funny smell, because then I have to wash it before I wear it. But I'm trying to show you guys that these headband wigs are just ready to go straight out of the packaging, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig now. So I think I'm gonna wear this headband. Should I wear this one? Oh my God, I don't know which one to pick. Okay, let me pick this one because it kind of goes with my outfit a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the headband on and just keep it around my neck for the time being, just so I don't have to lift it or put it over my head with the wig after. This just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on over my head, and I'm just gonna leave it on my neck for the time being. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig. So as you guys can see, I've already kind of done my edges and have my wig cap on. I don't usually do any fancy stuff with my baby hairs because your girl don't know how to do all them fancy swoops and waves and all of that stuff. So I'm just like my edges to be pushed back. So I just have my edges done here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this headband wig on. So I'm gonna take the comb that's at the top and I'm gonna just stick it in the top of my head like this, and then I'm gonna stick the combs that are in the back up underneath. This wig is definitely big head friendly because it doesn't feel tight or anything. So let's just fix the headband part now. Okay guys, so here is what the hair is looking like, and like, oh my God, first of all, I've never had hair this color before, so it's very like whoa for me. It's very like, girl, like what is going on? So anyways, so as of right now, the there's some hair in my eye. Oh, there you go, got it. So right now I kind of have the headband like all the way down over my edges. So what I usually do, I'll either just scrunch it up, or sometimes I'll even just fold the headband over. It can make the wig a little bit more bulky, but I like it like this, so I just kind of like fold it over so you guys can see like my edges are out and everything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the headband on over it like so. Now I usually like to set my headband so that you can't see any of the black headband that's like on the wig itself. So you just have to play with it and adjust it until you get it how you like it. Sometimes I'm just gonna scrunch it down a little bit there. Okay. Okay guys, so here's what the hair is looking like, and I don't even know how I feel about it. Like, wow, I've never had hair this color before, you guys, like ever in my life. So this is very like out of my comfort zone. This is out of my comfort zone, straight up. Like, I want to say it's pretty, it's very cute, like don't get me wrong, it is very cute, but I feel like it's so close to like my skin color. Like, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think the edges look horrible, being that my edges are black. I don't think it looks horrible. Maybe we just need to straighten the hair a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna straighten the hair. I have my straightener right here, so I'm just gonna plug her in and kind of get rid of some of like the curls in the hair. I'm just gonna style it a little bit. Maybe I'll like it more once it's been styled, because I don't know how I'm feeling about it, you guys. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. So I'm just gonna turn this up to 410. This is a Remington hair straightener. I did get it from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I can link it down below for you guys. If you guys are interested, check the description box for the link. But yeah, I'm going to style the hair because I feel like if I style it, it might make me like, you know, because I don't know how I'm feeling about it, you guys. Like, let me know, what do you guys think? Are we feeling it or are we not feeling it? I don't think it looks bad. I really don't think it looks bad, but I don't know if I love it. Like, I don't know if I love it. I don't know if I love it. It's very pretty though, like it's very, very nice, but I don't know if I love it. All right, so my hair straightener is pretty much hot at this point. So I'm just gonna take some sections and I'm just gonna straighten out the hair. Maybe seeing the hair bone straight might make me like it a little bit more. So I'm just running my flat iron through the hair. Straightens very easily. And I'm taking pretty big sections as well, you guys. All right, you guys, so here is what the hair is looking like now that I have completely straightened it. I did run my straightener through it a few times to get out some of the like bends and waves that was in the hair, probably due to the fact that it was, you know, during shipping and all that stuff, it might have like bended, and there were some just different waves and stuff in the hair that I wasn't feeling when I first put it on. But now that the hair is straight, like straight, I am feeling it. It's very different for me because I've never done hair this color before, but I do think it's actually really nice. Like, the hair is so soft despite the fact that it's been colored, and as you can see, it has like a nice like highlighted effect to it. I hope you guys can see it in the hair, and the same thing on the other side. It's quite pretty, and I'm feeling kind of experimentative now because I'm thinking like, if I were to dye the roots black, what kind of look it would give the hair, and maybe give this hair more of like an ombre look. Y'all stay tuned for that video, okay? Because I'm thinking I might go ahead and color the roots dark, just so it kind of like gives a more natural look. But nonetheless, I do love this hair. It is very pretty. I'm feeling the caramel honey vibes. Like, it's very, very cute. And the other headband that they sent as well was really, really pretty. I guess for the sake of this video, I might as well just try it on. So let's just put on the other headband. Okay, so here's what the hair looks like with the other headband. I think this headband actually looks better for some reason. I don't know, maybe because these colors complement the hair color a lot better, but yeah, guys, I do like the hair. It is very different for me, and I'm thinking of maybe like going in and like, you know, dyeing the roots dark just to give it a different look, you know. But yeah, you guys, here is the hair. Super pretty. Like I mentioned before, it is 18 inches, so it does reach me right by, like, you know, the girls at the tatas. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like. So let me just turn around. So this is what the back looks like. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for this headband wig install from Unice Hair. I will have all the specs and all the information and the links and everything down in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Special thanks again for Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are feeling this hair. Do you guys like it? Do you think I should go ahead and dye the roots? Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It is free to subscribe, okay? And when you subscribe, be sure to hit the bell so you guys stay notified whenever I have another upload. Bye.